Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a list on the reminders application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application reminders which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the reminders application. Search for that, enter to open up the application. And now, in the previous tutorials, you have seen me create reminders using the reminders application. And what we would then do is save these reminders within lists so we can categorize our reminders. Let's just say I need to book an appointment or have booked 10 appointments, and then I need to create some videos. We may have 20 reminders. Let's categorize these using these lists so we know I have 10 reminders in one list that's called appointments and the rest in another. So let's now go to the left hand side navigation menu where we have two lists, reminders and CSV. In order to delete this list, right click, delete, right click and delete. And there we go. That created list that we had created in the previous tutorial has now been removed from the reminders application using right click and delete. So we can now quit reminders. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.